How to be to topper of life. 1. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term objectives. 2. Effective time management. Prioritize tasks and manage your time efficiently. 3. Continuous learning. Cultivate a habit of constant learning and improvement. 4. Stay organized. Maintain a structured approach to your work and life. 5. Discipline. Develop self-discipline to stay focused on your goals. 6. Resilience. Learn from setbacks and remain resilient in the face of challenges. 7. Networking. Build meaningful connections and relationships with others. 8. Adaptability. Be open to change and adapt to new circumstances. 9. Healthy lifestyle. Prioritize physical and mental well-being through exercise and a balanced lifestyle.